Ideal Canada saw an opportunity to help out our community and also increase the PPE wear within our facility and also the rest of our Ideal family. We researched a couple different face shield designs and we found an open design online that we were able to replicate. The first thing we had to do was source the items. We were able to finally source one out of a marine nautical distribution supply house in West Toronto, and we were able to get the large PVC sheets from them. This also required us to develop a die that can be used on our atomic press to cut out the plastic sheets into the proper shape. Once we received all the necessary components to make the face shields, the first step is to die cut the plastic sheets into the proper size and shape for the face shields. The next step in the process is to take the elastic bands and staple them onto the face shields, which then leads us to putting on the foam strip and then affixing the Ideal label on the front side of the mask. And then they are bagged and boxed. We sourced enough product to make 5,000 face shields, with the game plan to distribute the face shields to Ideal companies within North America, customers, and also the community. Once we got the face shields made, we made sure we distributed one face shield per employee within Ideal Canada, just so that they can try it out, show it off to their families, and be proud that we're trying to make a difference within our community. The first community organization to receive these face shields was a family medical care center in Whitby, Ontario. And we came about this company from our cleaning supplier, who identified to us that they had a lack of PPE and would desperately love to get access to these face shields. We delivered these face shields on Friday afternoon last week, and they were very receptive to getting these additional PPE so that they will be able to continue to support the community in a safe manner.